Welcome to this guide on semantic field in GCSE English. We'll explore what it is, why it matters, and how to identify it in texts. A semantic field is a group of related words linked by a common theme. For example, rain, clouds, and storm belong to a weather semantic field. Writers use them to create imagery, mood, and deeper meaning. Semantic fields highlight themes, set the tone, and create mood. Words like battle, struggle, and victory show conflict, while love, joy, and hope evoke emotions. Spotting them shows deeper language analysis in exams. Semantic fields work by grouping related words to create vivid imagery and mood. For instance, words like wave, tide, and shore create a sense of the sea. Writers use these fields to deepen meaning and create emotional impact. Common semantic fields include nature, tree, river, conflict, battle, defeat, and emotions, joy, fear. Darkness is also a key field, with words like shadow, fog, and gloom used to create mystery or suspense. To identify a semantic field, look for words that share a theme. Check for repeated patterns, like words about nature, tree, river, mountain. Pay attention to the context, as the subject often hints at the relevant semantic field. Semantic fields are groups of thematically related words. Ocean, wave, tide. Synonym groups contain words with similar meanings: happy, joyful, cheerful. Understanding this difference ensures accurate text analysis in exams. In exams, identify the semantic field, like nature or conflict, and explain its effect. Show how it highlights themes or shapes mood. Use clear terms like emphasize or evoke to make your analysis precise and impactful.